Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Perplexity. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the app. So I'm going to click on this. And now we have to click on this continue with Google option. Other options are also provided here. Continue with Apple, continue with email and all. You can also choose those. So I'm going to click on the continue with Google. And simply we have to click on the continue. And after clicking on that, we need to wait for a few seconds and we have to choose the email we want to continue. For example, I'm going to choose this one here, freelancer 48. So let's click on this, and after that we have to click on the continue here again, and we need to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, now it's done and our account is created here. Now we have to choose the package that we want to continue with. For example, it's a yearly package and it's a monthly package. If you want to purchase this, you can also do that. You have to click on the subscribe. So I'm going to cut this one here. So now our account is created and now you can use this. So in this way you can create your account, and I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.